Hi guys, so today I'm showing you how to make an authentic Sri Lankan devilled chicken recipe. We are talking about fried chicken tossed in a signature spicy sauce with crunchy onion and bell peppers that stay perfectly crunchy. The secret is all in the sauce ratio and getting that wok char flavor without a commercial kitchen. I've simplified the steps so that you can get that restaurant quality finish in under 30 minutes. Trust me, once you make this, you'll never want a takeout version again. If you're ready to bring a little heat from the island of Sri Lanka to your own kitchen, hit that subscribe button and grab your apron and let's get cooking. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, please do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 650 grams chicken breast cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 stock cube, and then give it a nice mix. Marinate it for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan, add oil and simply fry the marinated chicken. Fry it until the chicken is perfectly cooked. Fry it for about 15 minutes. When ready, simply remove the chicken pieces and leave it in a separate plate. We are going to use this later. Then in the same pan, add 5 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, and fry it for a minute. Then add 35 to 40 curry leaves, 4 green chilies, 2 onions cut in cubes, and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add half tablespoon red chili flakes, half cup spring onion white, and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add 2 bell peppers, red and green, cut in cubes, and fry it until the bell peppers are nice and soft. Then add 1 cup cherry tomatoes cut in half and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, half cup tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon sugar, add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube, and then cook the sauces for a minute. Then add the cooked chicken and then give it a nice mix. Then cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add handful of chopped spring onion green and then give it a final mix. So the Sri Lankan Devilled Chicken is ready. And there you have it guys. This is exactly what I was looking for. You get that initial hit of heat from the chili flakes followed by the tang of that lemon juice and the sweetness of the sauce, and the chicken still perfectly juicy from the inside. This is the perfect comfort food Sri Lankan style. Now you can serve this as a bite with your favorite cold drink or pair it with some fried rice or fresh roast pan to soak up all that extra sauce. There is really no wrong way to eat this. Don't forget to subscribe for more authentic Sri Lankan recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.